Did you know that to this day, I still make our handmade shampoo and body bars? Yes, I do. I get up in there, I mix the lye and I mix the oils and I put it all together with all the Ayurvedic ingredients and the essential oils and make fabulous shampoo bars for your hair. And we produce amazing, top-notch Ayurvedic shampoo bars with the finest ingredients to moisturize your hair and leave it cleansed at the same time. So welcome to my channel. My name is Khadija. I am the CEO and founder of Henna Sooq. I specialize in henna hair dyeing for both professionals and those of you doing your hair at home, and also Ayurvedic hair care, and I do beautiful henna body art as well. I'm not sure if you follow me on TikTok. I actually have a TikTok channel. It's called Henna Sooq as well. And I do story time with a lot of like the disaster handmade, beauty products that I've made. And one of those series is about the shampoo bar. So you might want to take a peek at that and follow us on TikTok because that story is hilarious. So this whole series is going to focus on behind the scenes of the handmade beauty products that we make for hair at Henna Sooq. And you will see exactly how we infuse Ayurvedic herbs in all of the handmade beauty and hair products that we have for you. So what I love about the shampoo bars and the thought behind why I wanted added that to the whole product line is that I wanted something that was like easy to travel with. It was multi-purpose. You can use it on your hair and then your whole body. I even personally use it for shaving. So when I'm traveling, I take a shampoo bar with me. I take the whole thing and I use it for all my body. I don't like using the shampoo in the hotels. I really don't. I don't feel comfortable. And then most of the time, they have fragrance in it. So I am not a fragrance fan. I like pure essential oils. And that's also what makes our whole brand stand out, is that we do not skimp by rushing to use fragrances because we want to sell more. No, we want to use amazing natural raw ingredients like essential oils in all of your products. And those are better for you. And I'm definitely of the opinion that they are definitely more beneficial as well. I also like the shampoo bars because they come in a box that you can recycle. And there's a little window, you could smell it so you can smell exactly what it smells like to give you an idea if you like it or not. Yes, of course we're online, you can't smell through the screen, but it gives you an idea what it should look like. And this one's infused with lemongrass essential oil, so it's definitely one of our very popular shampoo bars that we have. So at Henna Sooq, we are aiming to reduce our carbon footprint. So we want to recycle more, we want to use all natural ingredients, get rid of the plastic, definitely, repurpose any of the containers that we do have that are plastic or even the pouches. But the great thing about all of the items that we have for packaging are recyclable. And you can even compost some of the ingredients you have leftovers, like the hair tea. If you're finished with it, you might want to throw it into your compost pile. And the cool thing about how we make our shampoo bars is we use a cold press method, and it just makes the bars last even longer. So let me show you behind the scenes on how we make our shampoo bars here at Henna Sooq. As we make the shampoo bars, we're putting all the natural oils and butters in the pot so that they can melt down. So that way, once they're fully melted, they're going to be able to be mixed with the lye solution so that we can make soap. Look at these ingredients. Aren't they? Oh, they're so juicy. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love making shampoo bars. When we make shampoo bars, we first add in the lye solution to the oils and we mix till that's thoroughly mixed. And then we typically will add all of our Ayurvedic herbs at that point once it's been mixed fully and thoroughly, as you can see here. And we add all of our Ayurvedic ingredients, and we even add coconut milk that you'll find in our Coco Verde shampoo bar. All the different variations that we have in our shampoo bars are absolutely amazing. And just look at how creamy and smooth that is. Just look at those Ayurvedic herbs. Oh yes, I mean, look at that. Those shampoo, and essential oils. Oh, we just pour that in and it's gonna smell so good. Which shampoo bar do you guys think this one is that we're making? Oh, look at it, yes. It looks so good. Them herbs, just mix them up all in that oil. just mix it to make that shampoo bar so creamy and smooth. Love it. And once the shampoo bar has been mixed as a liquid and it gets a little bit thick, so at that point, because you don't want it to be too thick and start becoming soap, you definitely want to pour it right into the mold. So typically, and we allow them to sit about 24 hours, and once they harden, then from there, that's when we cut them. But look at the shampoo. Oh, and now we're about to cut it. This is the very final step after we've taken the shampoo bar out of the molds. Just look at the color. Oh, can you guess what shampoo bar this one is? Look, boom. Then you got shampoo. So did you find this fascinating? Did you know that was how shampoo was made? And how you can pour it into the mold and get these bars out of it? Did you know that? I hope that you found it fascinating. And I have more handmade behind the scenes on the beauty and hair products that we have here at Hennasooq, so stay tuned. Gotta hit the subscribe and the bell so you're notified of all the videos that I have coming out and that I'm sharing with you. I'm always trying to keep it fresh, so check out every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. I'll see you next time. Bye.